Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito. Ang ebanghelyo natin ay Luke 17:20-25. Sabi ng ebanghelyo, the Pharisees asked Jesus when the kingdom of God was to come. He answered, the kingdom of God is not like something you can observe and say, look, here it is, there it is. Or see, the kingdom of God is among you. Napakaganda, no? Hindi dito, in between. It's something that andito na at kailangang hanapin in between. I think napakahalaga itong dimension kung saan hanapin ang kaharian ng Diyos. Ang pagkahari ng Diyos in between. How do you treat people? Yung kind of pakikitungo mo in between you and the other person. There you find the kingdom of God. When you have a great friend, and you are seated and having coffee and sharing, in between you can find God. Kapag ikaw'y naglalakad, pumunta sa park at umiikot, maglalakad sa UP o maglalakad sa circle and just letting things out of your head, nagja-jogging ka o naglalakad sa park, in between you and nature, you can find God. Pag pumunta ka sa simbahan and umupo ka tahimik bago magsimula misa, let's say you come 10 minutes earlier and sit down, wala masyadong tao sa simbahan, tumitingin ka sa tabernacle, and then you're praying to Jesus. In between you and Him, God is reigning. Kahari ang Diyos. It happens in between. Lumalabas ako sa sariling kong katayuan at kalagayan at pag-iisip at pananaw at nako-connect ako sa iyo. Be my coworker, be my katabi sa jeep, be my nature, be my creator. Lumalabas ako sa sarili, nako-connect sa iba, in between, sa gitna noon, nakahari ang Diyos. Harapin mo ang Diyos outside your mind, your thoughts, your points of view. Outside, iisang lugar na parang dyan lang siya kung mo ikulong sa loob ng simbahan o kung saan man. Try to look for God in between. Doon siya nakahari. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ng good news ang social media at gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.